Thank you for choosing our electric bike. Now, let's assemble this electric bike together. Open the box and remove all packaging and you will get electric bike body, front wheel, installation tools, seat, pedal, stand. Align the handlebar bracket and front wheel in the direction of riding. Find the Allen wrench and the installation tools. Remove the handlebar mounting cover. Clip the handlebars into the handlebar bracket. Secure the handlebars to the handlebar bracket using the mounting cover. Secure it with mounting screws. Tighten the mounting screws with an Allen wrench. Note: do not tighten one screw before tightening the others. Instead, tighten each screw a little at a time, and then tighten them all together at the end. Use an Allen wrench to remove the headlight mounting screw. Install the headlight into the headlight mounting hole using the headlight mounting screw. Tighten the screws with an Allen wrench. Release the seat quick release handle. Insert the seat into the mounting hole. Adjust the seat to a comfortable height. Lock the seat quick release handle. Find the front wheel. Use a wrench to remove the retaining washers and screws on both sides of the front wheel. You will receive 2 mounting screws and 2 retaining washers. If you are installing it alone, we recommend that you turn the bike upside down. And find a hard object to prop up the handlebars to prevent damage to the instrument panel. Place the front wheel onto the front wheel bracket. Insert the retaining shim into the front wheel mounting hole. Secure the front wheels using the front wheel mounting bolts. Tighten with a wrench. The front wheels are installed using the same method on both sides. Find the pedal. Note: pedal marked with L is installed on the left side of the bike. Note: pedal marked with R is installed on the right side of the bike. Tighten with a wrench. The pedals on both sides are installed in the same way. Find the stand. Use an Allen wrench to remove the mounting screw. Install the stand onto the stand mounting hole. Secure with screw. Tighten with an Allen wrench. The battery can be removed by rotating the battery key. Install the batteries in the reverse order. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the electric bike on or off. Press the power button once to switch riding mode. Press the power button 3 times quickly to switch speed units. Press the setting button quickly once to turn the headlight on and off. Press and hold the accelerator to start the motor. Simply squeeze the brake lever to stop. Bell. Thank you for watching.